Hello. The daily uplifting news beautifully visualized by Information is Beautiful, December 14, 2019. Today's visualization is about the first commercial, all-electric, passenger aircraft has landed.
It may look odd. It may be small. But this aircraft changes everything.
Abandoning jet fuel for electricity slashes the cost of short flights.
And it's great news for the environment.
In the future, larger hybrid planes will take off and land using electric power.
That means lower CO2 emissions. They may be able to carry more passengers. And a new epoch might dawn for human travel. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to like, comment, and share.